International maritime container shipping has witnessed astonishing growth in recent years. Economic development in emerging nations has driven steady growth in container traffic volume over successive years, prompting a search for new solutions in port logistics. Today's container ports are switching to high-performance container terminals that can improve cargo handling efficiency, slash port costs, and reduce lead times. JFE Engineering Corporation developed the container hangar, responding to these needs by rethinking the very concept of a container terminal. Oi Pier at Tokyo Port boasts one of the highest container handling volumes in Japan. Our container hangar stands in this terminal. Equipped with 7 levels of racks, the structure measures 150 meters long and 31 meters high. Hangars can store up to 420 40-foot containers by means of 2 on-site stacker cranes. This facility is the world's first stacker crane-based container hangar. Let's take a look at the loading process for this revolutionary container hangar. A trailer enters the container yard. A license plate recognition system reads the license plate number of the trailer. This information is compared with information in the terminal system and will be added to its loading work list. All operations are automated from this point onward until the container is stored on a rack. A turntable rotates and stops, positioning the container to face a stacker crane. Then, the container slides into the stacker crane. Now, the stacker crane begins to move towards the rack. The storage position is allocated automatically by computer. The stacker crane arrives in front of the specified rack. The container is transported to the rack and stored in a specified location. The storage operation is completed. Inventory data about the stored container is transmitted to the terminal system. The interval between storage of one container and another is just 2.5 minutes. Containers can also be unloaded from the hangar at similar speeds. This system can process up to 48 containers in an hour using 2 stacker cranes. Moreover, reefer containers are supported by all racks. The debut of this innovative hangar has taken the container terminal to new levels of convenience and profitability. First, cargo handling efficiency is dramatically improved. Formerly, containers were stacked in piles. Containers at the bottom could not be removed without moving all the containers on top, wasting extensive time and effort. This problem was a particular concern for imported containers. With the container hanger, any container can be removed without disturbing others, regardless of its position. Also, even if only a few containers are scattered throughout the racks, they can be stored in succession without marshalling. Second, this solution dramatically simplifies yard planning. In conventional container yards, careful, complex planning is required to ensure maximum efficiency, and the type and destination of each container must be considered when setting the order in which they are received and shipped. With the container hanger, the locations and order of containers are not an issue, and multiple complex planning can be omitted, enabling a flexible response even to sudden schedule changes. Third, this system contributes to reduce environmental impacts. Because the container hanger is fully electrically operated, CO2 emissions are dramatically lower compared with conventional diesel-powered cranes. Energy consumption is drastically reduced by using inverters, which improves efficiency and enables the container hanger to reuse regenerated energy. An additional CO2 saving comes from solar panels installed on the roof. These panels also insulate reefer containers from solar heat while supplying part of the system's energy requirements from a green energy source. With maritime container shipping set to grow by leaps and bounds, this ideal innovation for container handling will reap incredible gains in efficiency. JFE Engineering is proud to develop next-generation concepts in container terminals, making logistics friendly to both people and to the environment.